How's it, guys? This past 4 days was a nightmare. So for you guys who don't know, my YouTube channel got hacked and it was banned off of YouTube because the hacker put spam posted a bunch of hacking videos and everything onto my channel, and then it went against the community guidelines of YouTube, and so the channel got banned. And yeah, the guy had my email and password, but fortunately my friend told me right away, because he was on YouTube and then he saw that am I posting these hacking videos, and I immediately changed my password, but then my YouTube channel was already banned. And then I started emailing YouTube for 2 days. They never got back to me. And then my father suggested that I should go onto Twitter and send them a message. And I did so. Okay, so what I did was I went onto Twitter and I tagged at Team YouTube, where I told them my account is hacked, can you please help me? And then they said, okay, we will send you a DM. After that they sent me, thanks for following us. To make sure we're looking at the right channel, mind sharing its URL. Keep us posted. After that we went back and forth on what I should do and how they can help me. Eventually they sent me a message where they said, confirming you have now access to the form with your email. So they sent me a form which I filled in and had to send to the specialists that fix these hacked YouTube account problems. I filled in the form, but I had a few problems filling in the form. I couldn't get my channel link because my channel was banned, so I couldn't access it. And then I told them that, and they sent me my link. And then they asked for an AdSense ID. Now, for you guys who don't know what AdSense is, AdSense is you make an AdSense account through Google, and then you can monetize your videos and make money off of your videos. But you can only start earning money off of your videos once you have reached 1,000 subscribers. So obviously I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so I don't have an AdSense ID. So I told them that. Then after a while they responded to that and they sent me a temporary AdSense ID. So then after a few hours I finally got the form filled out, and then I sent in the form. And then what's supposed to happen is, after you send the form, they are supposed to send you an email back giving steps where what you should follow, and then you can get your account back. But after you follow those steps, they tell you, okay, this is your YouTube account, you are the owner of the account. And then what they normally do is they will ask you to make another YouTube account, and then they will just transfer all of that data from your previous account to the new account. But then this morning I woke up, checked if there was any emails. There was no emails. And then I went into YouTube, and then I clicked on my profile and then normally I could not sign in. It didn't even show my account. It just said tap to retry. And then I saw my profile picture is back and it says Spears Abyss. I went into my channel and I finally got my channel back, but all of that hacking videos were still on. So I'm going to put all of these screenshots and everything in. So yeah, and then I deleted all of that. And then my latest video that I uploaded, where me and my father went to Buckriven for the spearfish session, session. That video was gone for some reason, but I still have a backup of that on my computer, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. I'm going to be posting my previous spearfishing video because that's got deleted. I think it was by the hacker. So I'll upload that also, and then yeah, I'll see you guys the weekend. We are going spearfishing again. So yeah, you guys must have a lovely day. And this is my cat. Hello, bird. Hello, bird. Hello. Hello, bird. Cheers, guys.